I found a completely legal way to use the best AI video models for free and without limits. Let's do the math. How much would it cost to use the models we're going to test today? To use Veo 3.1, you'd need Google AI Pro, which is $20 a month. To use Grok, you'd need Super Grok, which costs $30 a month. To use Kling 3.0, you'd need its $10 plan. And to use the new Seedance 2.0 model, you'd be looking at around $18 to $20 a month. In total, that is almost $80 every single month just to generate video. Because I know that is out of reach for most people, I spent several weeks looking for the best way to use all of them for free, without weird tricks, without illegal methods, and through one platform with the right setup. So let's see how it works. A better tool could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss it, subscribe and leave a like. Some of these models do have free options inside their own separate platforms, but most of the time, those options are limited. Today, we're looking for options that don't have that limit. Even so, there are a few free features that are too useful to leave out because they will help us prepare content for the tools we're going to use later in the video. If we open Flow from Google and click Create New Project, we land on a very simple interface. Here, you can do a few useful things, like generating images completely free and unlimited with Nano Banana, or even creating your own characters. Whenever you want to generate another image or a video, you can add that template by clicking this button and selecting Character. Whatever you create, the same character keeps appearing without changing from one scene to the next. Flow is not bad at all, but when it comes to generating video, you will hit a limit. I wanted to show you the image and character feature because it will be useful for the tools we're going to use throughout the video, and this part is completely free and unlimited. If you like Flow, once you use the video credits, you can usually generate around 5 videos a day in this setup, and then come back the next day to generate again without paying. But now let's see how to use the stronger models without limits. When it comes to the models we saw at the beginning of the video, their own platforms barely give you any real way to use them for free. This is where the research got complicated. Luckily, I found a website that covers the cost of these models, so we can use them for free through its platform. That website is not sponsoring this video, so we're going to check whether it actually works. Open Gemini Gen. To stop people from overloading the platform, they made the free generation area a little harder to find, but I've already tested it, so follow these steps and you'll find it. I'll leave all the links for the tools I'm using today and all the prompts, plus free text and image AI tools you can use on my website in the description. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. When you enter the platform, the first thing you see is a normal AI generator with paid plans and model options, so it doesn't look like there is anything free here. But like I said, it is a little hidden. Start by clicking Studio at the top. Once you are inside, you'll find the models I mentioned earlier: Veo, Grok, Kling, and the ByteDance model. If you scroll a little, you'll see that the ByteDance model is Seedance 2.0. At first, if you scroll down, it tells you the generation will cost credits, and we're looking for an option that is free, unlimited, and uses no credits. To unlock that free part, first sign in. Use the button in the top right and create an account with Google, for example. Now, if you go back down to the Veo model, you'll see that the generation costs 0 credits. The rest of the models work a little differently, and I'll show you that in a moment, but we can already use this one. First, choose either of these 2 Veo options. Add a prompt, set the generation to HD, and choose horizontal format. With all of that added, the cost still stays at 0 credits, so click Generate Video. A few minutes later, it gives you the result. This is not one of those tools where everything looks free, but then the generation takes several hours. In a few minutes, you get the video, the quality is good enough to take seriously, and if you listen to it, it even comes with audio included.
But here is the other thing this platform does to stop people from overloading its tools. It does not make the 0 credit options obvious. With Veo, if you choose either of the first 2 options, the cost stays at 0 credits. But if you choose the standard Veo 3.1 model, it costs credits again. So these are the free Google options: Veo 3.1 Fast and Veo 3.1 Lite. For Grok, there is only one model that can work for free. But whether it appears at 0 credits depends on the platform's active setup that day. And this is what I meant earlier. The platform changes which models work for free every day. Maybe at the moment I'm recording this video, only the Google models are free. And if we try to use Grok, it is under maintenance. But tomorrow, they might switch it, make Grok free, and put the Google models under maintenance. That keeps most people from hammering the same models all day. Luckily, I found an option that lets us see which models are active at any moment.
So no matter when you watch this video, you can use whichever zero-credit models are available then. But before that, for anyone who wants to create higher quality videos, I want to show you how to make videos like this. I created this video inside Higgsfield. On this platform, we get the best image, video, and audio models in one place, plus a huge set of tools we can use to create almost anything without having to pay for several separate subscriptions. The workflow I usually follow is to go to the image section and choose the new Nano Banana 2 Lite model. From there, I add prompts and generate images in groups of 4, at maximum quality and with no watermark. We can keep generating as many variations as we need, and we can also use the tools inside the platform to edit the images if something needs to be fixed. With this model, we can generate practically anything. And once our images are ready, all we have to do is click the one we like most and choose Turn to Video. This takes us to the video section, where we can choose the video model. In this case, we're going to use the best one available right now, Seedance 2.0, because inside Higgsfield, we can generate in 4K. Then we add the prompt, and we'll see that we can generate videos up to 15 seconds long, with a high bitrate, multiple scene changes, camera movement, and much more control, because the base image was created exactly the way we needed it. After looking into it, Higgsfield is the most accessible place I found to use Seedance 2.0. So if you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. Going back to Gemini Gen, to see which models are free at each moment, click the status section. Right now, while I'm recording, it tells us which models are operational and which ones are not working properly. If you come back tomorrow, this will probably change, and you may be able to use a new model for free. Some models, like Seedance or Kling, may appear active, but they are not offered at 0 credits very often. Still, we can use this section as a guide to find which models are active and check which ones are working at 0 credits. From time to time, you can also check the Seedance sections to see if one of them has switched to 0 credits. The ones we'll use the most here are the Google models and Grok. If a lot of people are using the platform and those models get overloaded, there is one more secret. We are not going to use the meta model from here. I want to give an extra tip to those of you who made it this far. Even if the meta model shows maintenance here, and even if the other models are overloaded, Meta can be used completely free and unlimited from its official website. Open Meta's website and you'll find a completely free and unlimited image and video generation tool. This one has no limit, and it usually isn't under maintenance. Go to its Create section and ask it to create horizontal or vertical images and videos of all kinds. When you ask for an image, it gives you 4 results from the same prompt. Open the one that catches your attention, apply a restyle, edit the image to change specific details without changing everything, and when it's ready, turn it into a video. Use Animate if you want Meta to add natural motion, or Custom Animate if you want to animate it with your own prompt. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.